Hi guys, and today you're going to watch two absolute idiots attempt to try go fishing, but it was so funny I had to upload it, so I hope you enjoy. Me. Ah!
Oh my lord. Oh my god.
Bang! Oh my days in the summer. Two! We're going to try a piece of Kit Kat. Right! Hi guys, and today we're at a new spot. I found it on Google Maps. We have driven with our bikes about 30 minutes to get here, even though it was like a 15-minute bike ride, but we went the long way because we were going to go to another spot, and hey ho, it didn't work. But surroundings are nice. There's a somewhat waterfall thing and probably little bubbly thing. Bridge, hopefully there's pike or perch underneath the bridge. I don't know. I don't even know what's here. There could be chub, anything. But yeah, no, we're gonna fish here for a while, see if we can't get anything. And you never know, this could be one of my favourite spots that I found on Google Maps. Without said, let's get fishing. Right, so when I've been down here, sorry there is a road by the way, like a main road, but I found a spoon and some sort of lure thing, which present people are fishing with. But what is really interesting, I don't know what the hell someone's done here, but they've got like a 1.5 ounce carp lead weight with a hair rig and then like 50-pound pike braid. So I don't know what they've been going for, but I don't know, look, literally a carp hair rig, lead weight, and then 50-pound pike braid that's been tied onto like 10-pound mainline that's snapped. I don't know what the hell someone's tried to do. They've got 3 different types of line, but you know what? But that's only, now I don't know what to expect. Someone's been going for pike and carp pike. So I don't know, there could be big fish here. But yeah, no, hopefully we can catch something.
It's gonna be another whole video of you just messing up like that.
How did you that?
Right! cycled so far.
A few moments later.
And you're going in.
Right guys, so there is no fish here. I don't know why, I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm saying sorry to you. You're not the one that cycled 15 minutes to get here. But, yeah, I need to come. There's old people everywhere today. I don't want to scare one and give one a heart attack. But, yeah, I think the only choice now is to move to the river. The other one where I know there's fish, 20 minutes down the road with the bikes in -1 degrees with all our stuff going through Horsham. Anyway, I don't want to think of that, so we're going to make an effort now to cycle all the way back to my house, 20 minutes away. We're in the centre of town. We're going to go to the old spot with I forgot my tackle box. I don't know if I told you, I forgot my tackle box. So I've been fishing with size like 1 hooks, which are like that, for little perch. You know, we're gonna head down now to the. We're gonna head now down. We're gonna head now. There. Over. No, not the tree. Not the. Yeah. I'm sad. Oh. Oh. Quick. Sorry guys if there's a bit of drop in activity because my GCSEs are coming up, so expect a bit of not as many videos because I'm going to be revising, so you know there's not going to be as many videos. But in the summer, oh my days, in the summer, too many videos are coming out, so please subscribe, please. Without further ado, let's go to the other spot. Right, we're at the new spot. Well, not new spot, you guys know it. The river. Yeah, no, it's awful. But I have more trust in here than I do anywhere else. Hopefully we catch some fish for the video. Or else you'll never see this video, which is a shame. But without further ado, get the what. Without further ado, we're gonna
Rods in the water, bro.
without further ado, we're gonna get the rods in the water and see if we can't catch any fish. Right, you guys know it already. We've got a waggler float, massive one by the way, like absolutely ginormous waggler, and then a split shot here, and then a worm, and then like a size 6 hook. Look, if this don't catch, I don't think we are going to catch, but hopes are high. But you know, without further ado, let's see if I can't catch a little fish. Right, can't even see the float, it's just swept away. I think all the fish have been swept down to Brighton. Oh, sea bass on. But that's a fish. That is a fish. Fish, if you don't bite, you're a bit dodgy, aren't you? Right. We've got like 15 red maggots tipped with 1 white one. For just a little splash of different colour to maybe catch the fish's eye. See if now we can't catch one.
Yeah, have a chit chat.
I realise why they're not biting anymore, it's because they've moved over here.
Yeah, in the tree. Oh my god, no, you're not getting out.
Am I not?
No.
We're going to try a piece of Kit Kat. Oh, fuck me. Fuck. Ah!
Oh. No, wait, stay there.
Oh, is it bad?
Mate. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Look at the floor. Oh. It's like someone's killed a rabbit. This video. Leg. Oh. Look at this. Oh my. I've just shit. You just served your shit. Why have we decided to come out today?
I've actually hit my rib as well. I'm actually in pain.
Oh my god.
It's just, this is my dad's coat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm just spilling out. My guts are just going everywhere.
It's actually like, feels nice.
We're gonna have to pick all this up now. Before some squirrel makes nests out. Actually, well, I don't know. It's good nest material. Actually, to that person that said they don't eat fruit, yeah? You
Bosh!
I don't know what to say. I'm titling this, Not How to Fish. Oh my days, nothing's gone right. My coat decided to spill its guts out and show the world. This is what's happened in the span of 20 minutes. I've almost fallen in, I've ripped a tree up from the ground, and it looks like a rabbit has been absolutely shot 10 times with a shotgun, and there's just fluff. Anyway, I'm sorry. This is the video you have to watch after 2 weeks of not seeing me. You're probably gonna unsubscribe. Please don't. I mean, I'm trying to get to 300, so if you can get me to 300, fantastic. Yeah, big up. But yeah, no. Have an amazing lunch, dinner. Here is my other YouTube channel, Gaming with Faisal. Go follow that. Fishing with Faisal. Go subscribe. Big up the boy. And 2 videos that I recommend. But yeah, no. Without further redundancy. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, guys. Peace.
We bosh!